It's Friday night, you don't want to go out, what do? You make a curry. This is my 10-spice chicken curry. You're gonna need some chicken, some coconut, some garlic and some onions. Then you need the selection of spices. Now, you might not go to the shop and buy these individual 10 spices. Just go and buy some curry powder. Job done. Let's get going. We're going to take the chicken, and we've got some chicken thighs here, which when we cook them will really become nice and tender. So I've opened up the chicken thigh. These are skinless and boneless. Then cut it into strips. So that's now cut up. But take our onion. Now, with your onion, you want to cut just below the root, and then you want to cut just above the head. So that's what we want to do. We want to take off all of that brown outer skin, and that is our onion ready to go. You want to make this quick. That's what we're going to do. So you're going to take the root of your onion, cut that in half, then cut behind the root, real quick, nothing too long, done. Discard that, cut the onion in half, going across the kind of the belly, if you will, and then 1, 2, 3. That is what the Indians call as half-diced onions, really quick. So, we're then going to put that on a tray or a plate. So garlic, we're going to take off the ends. We don't need those, they're a little bit like the onion root. Discard those in your table bin, and then you can slice away, have a little bit of fun if you want to. When everything is ready, we can bring this little beauty to the stove and start cooking. I've got a choice of 2 pans here. I've got the wok, my favourite one, but I've got a frying pan. Now you might only have a frying pan in your student accommodation, which is fine, not a problem there. We're going to make a masala, and the masala means mixture, alright? So half a teaspoon of chili, half a teaspoon of paprika, ginger, curry powder, turmeric, cinnamon, garam masala. We've got some cumin and some coriander in there. I'm just going to throw in a little bit of coconut, but we can put that in a little bit later. Give that a mix, and that is now our masala. Okay? Now, a good pinch of salt in there. Mix that all up again. These spices can now go back into the cupboard, and we're now ready to take it to the stove. We need something like a wooden spoon for this situation. So, that's now nice and hot. A good drizzle of oil. That was about 2 tablespoons is what I put in there. Okay? And that's enough heat to then get my onions started, as well as the garlic. And look, you can see the onions are starting to take on a bit of colour. Put a little bit more oil in. And now we're going to put in the chicken. Okay, so I'm just going to move the onions to one side. Put the chicken in. Now we're going to mix everything together. So if you fold in the middle, everything gets a nice even distribution. Eat the masala spices, and I'm just going to sprinkle all of it. Wow! So that looks amazing. Just the colours, the flavour. Folding that all in. Some coconut. We're going to put in a little bit more desiccated coconut. That was a good 2 tablespoons there. And in with the coconut milk. simmer. It's coming up. I'm going to turn the heat down and just leave it to cook for about 10 minutes. And then we're going to go in, check the seasoning and the flavour. So, it has been 10 minutes and this is so ready. Whip the heat off. And with this, you need some carbohydrates. So some rice. And maybe just get a little bit of naan bread. And then, if you have it, some coriander, just torn and sprinkled on top. Ah, dinner is served.